This is Matt, and this will be a straightforward video on how to convert US dollars to British pounds online. So we're doing pound sterling to USD. I like to use this Wise currency converter. You can see the URL here at wise.com. I will put that URL in the video description as it's quite long. So you can just click the link below this video and you'll come straight to this currency converter. Now, I advise that you bookmark this. You can use this anywhere in the world, whether you're on cell phone, mobile, tablet, desktop, wherever you are. So by default, we see that 1,000 USD is currently £725, 1 pence at the current exchange rates. We can, of course, put any numbers in here. So you can just put the number that you want to convert in now, and you see that 12,000 USD is currently £8,700 and 6 pence. If we wanted to put, you can put more sort of obscure numbers here. We've got $17,645.98 now, and we see that that is, at the current exchange rates, £12,793.42. Now, this is a really good interface that they've got here. You can click here and you can put in any kind of currency you want. They've got essentially every world currency. You can also use the search bar there, and the same at the bottom here. So you can change what your amount and what you're converting to. Hopefully you've found this video on how to convert from USD to GBP, how to convert from US dollars to British pound sterling useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.